Why you should drink lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea. The same plant that is used to make lemongrass oil, culinary herbs, and citronella candles is also used to make lemongrass tea. The gastronomy in particular has long used this plant as a main ingredient in Asian cooking. The dried leaves or stalks of the lemongrass plant, scientifically known as Cymbopogom, are used to make lemongrass tea. The lemongrass plant is indigenous to South Asia and thrives in warmer climates. In Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia and the Philippines, the plant is now widely grown for tea and essential oils. It is used as a culinary herb to enhance the flavor of food and as a herbal cure for a variety of illnesses. The distinct lemony flavor of lemongrass tea is absent from its tart bite. Other names for the lemongrass plant include silky heads, barbed wire grass, tanglad, and citronella grass. The tea has no negative effects on sleep and is naturally caffeine-free, so you can drink it all day. It's also frequently used to flavor black tea. The information on our channel is offered solely for general and educational reasons and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment. For any ailments or medical concerns you may have, please get advice from a physician. Benefits of lemongrass tea. Boosts immune health. Because lemongrass is full of vitamins and minerals that help fight off the common cold and flu, it strengthens the immune system. High concentrations of vitamin C and are found in lemongrass tea support stronger immunity. Since lemongrass is such a well-liked immune-boosting supplement, many natural food stores carry it in their health section. It's also commonly found at health food stores and conventional grocery stores as cough drops and other immune boosters. To assist ease a sore throat, steep some lemongrass in a cup of hot tea. Lemongrass's anti-inflammatory qualities aid in reducing swelling and relieving throat lining irritation. Improves skin health. Lemongrass tea's antibacterial, astringent, and abundant antioxidants can improve skin health. Your skin becomes radiant and tones thanks to the essential oil. You can use the essential oil in your shampoos and soaps or sip the tea. Additionally, the tea can strengthen your tissues and sanitize your pores. Lemongrass's citral may also help shield against skin cancer. Additionally, lemongrass can treat bacterial illnesses such as folliculitis and cellulitis. Moreover, the tea's antifungal properties can aid in the treatment of skin fungus infections. Help in diabetes treatment. Lemongrass tea has been shown in certain trials to reduce blood sugar, which may be advantageous for diabetics. However, if you currently take medication for diabetes, speak with your doctor. Moreover, studies have demonstrated that consuming lemongrass tea might raise blood glucose levels during a fast. As a hair booster, tea made with lemongrass may help your hair follicles become stronger and stop hair loss. In relation to dandruff, the essential oil is quite effective. According to studies, using the oil on hair can reduce dandruff in as little as 7 days. Regular usage of the oil yields the best results. Pour a small amount of the oil into your conditioner and shampoo. Lemongrass tea can treat respiratory disorders. Lemongrass tea was used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat respiratory ailments, including the common cold and cough. This is because vitamin C, which has been demonstrated to strengthen the immune system and guard against the common cold and flu, is present in lemongrass. Breathing can be improved by using the oils in lemongrass, which can also help dry out excess mucus, release phlegm from the lungs, and clean the nasal passages and overall respiratory system. Improve the digestion process. A common ingredient in Indian and traditional Asian medicine is lemongrass tea. As it functions as a natural diuretic, it is often prescribed as a digestive aid. Tea made with lemongrass may help reduce nausea and stomach pain associated with gastric upset. Because lemongrass contains antioxidants and polyphenols, it also has antifungal and antibacterial qualities that may help prevent infections that could impair digestion. Lemongrass tea leaves have been shown by researchers to offer protection against stomach problems brought on by aspirin and 100% ethanol as well as gastric ulcers. By reducing inflammation, anti-inflammatory qualities may also aid in the relief of stomach discomfort. Lower blood pressure. Lemongrass tea has the potential to decrease blood pressure by promoting relaxation and decreasing inflammation. While research is still in its early stages, there is cause for optimism that those who suffer from high blood pressure may benefit from drinking lemongrass tea. 72 human subjects were assigned to consume either green tea or lemongrass tea on a regular basis as part of the study. Researchers discovered that those who drank lemongrass tea had a moderate drop in blood pressure at the end of the study. Additionally, they displayed a markedly lowered heart rate and an increase in relaxation. Weight loss aid. The health advantages of lemongrass tea can also hasten your weight loss. Lemongrass tea can speed up weight loss by increasing metabolism and taking the place of sugary, high-calorie drinks. The outcomes of continuing medical research on lemongrass tea have been inconsistent, but you may reduce calories and accelerate your weight reduction by switching to lemongrass tea instead of sugary beverages like soda and juice. In the past, lemongrass was also employed as a diuretic. Taking lemongrass tea can assist your body eliminate extra waste and can also help your metabolism. You won't lose a lot of weight just by drinking the tea. Instead, pair a nutritious diet and exercise regimen with a detoxifying lemongrass tea. Lemongrass is packed with antioxidants. An herbal drink that is rich in antioxidants is lemongrass tea. These antioxidants aid in the removal of free radicals, which can result in major health problems. Oxidative stress, brought on by free radicals, basically breaks down cells and natural processes in the body. Free radicals have been connected to early aging and several forms of cancer. These tea leaves' antioxidant qualities might also aid in slowing the spread of some cancer cells. Research has demonstrated that lemongrass helps stop the spread of cancer. It's crucial to remember that animals, not people, were used in these laboratory experiments. The majority of researchers believe that the citral, geraniol, and colorogenic acids found in lemongrass leaves and stalks are responsible for these possible health advantages. Protect heart health. Heart disease is one of the main causes of death in the United States. Drinking lemongrass tea can help prevent major cardiac conditions, including blood clots and heart attacks. The anti-inflammatory qualities of lemongrass tea help lessen arterial and blood vessel irritation. This reduces the possibility of platelet accumulation, which leads to blood clots and facilitates the easier movement of blood cells. Consuming lemongrass was reported to reduce total cholesterol levels by researchers. Heart disease has long been associated with high levels of LDL cholesterol. Lemongrass tea has the potential to improve heart health and prevent major illnesses by lowering cholesterol. Promotes oral health. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities of lemongrass tea may aid in the fight against oral infections and lessen gum irritation. According to research, consuming lemongrass tea may also prevent the growth of germs that lead to the development of plaque and foul breath. The tea has a distinctly zesty flavor that leaves your tongue feeling refreshed and clean. You could try switching to this tea in place of your usual one until your dental health issue goes away. After that, you can continue to drink this tea every day to help lower your chance of developing oral infections. But keep in mind that drinking lemongrass tea won't replace your dental hygiene regimen. It does not take the place of consistent dental examinations, brushing, and flossing. Fights inflammation. The majority of chronic illnesses, including cancer, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis, are thought to be caused by chronic inflammation. This is due to the fact that inflammation has the potential to harm healthy cells, tissues, and organs. This frequently results in tissue death, scarring of different organs, and damaged DNA in previously healthy cells. In the end, this will create an atmosphere that is favorable for the expression of different illnesses. Tea made from lemongrass, which is high in anti-inflammatory components, including geraniol and citral, can help reduce inflammation in the body when consumed on a daily basis. AC previously stated, Quercetin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory qualities, is also present in lemongrass. Reduces anxiety. The term anxiety describes the uneasy, worried feeling that is occasionally normal and a common response to stress or apprehension about the future. For instance, you'll feel apprehensive the moment you're called into the office or are heading to a job interview and you don't know if you'll be fired the next minute. Alternatively, if your daily tasks are extremely taxing, you may find yourself exhausted and under stress at the end of the day. In these kinds of situations, you can relax and reduce your tension by reaching for a warm cup of lemongrass tea. The several agitation and anxiety-reducing substances found in lemongrass, such as myrcene, citral, limonene, and nerol, are responsible for this advantage. A wooden chopping board with sliced and whole lemongrass next to a cup and kettle of lemongrass tea. Prevent cancer. Cancer frequently arises from cell damage caused by free radicals, which results in mutations that damage DNA and promote unchecked cell division. On the other hand, lemongrass tea's antioxidants can stop this harm and reduce your chance of getting cancer. For instance, it has been demonstrated that the component citral in lemongrass induces apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. It has been demonstrated in one study to reduce the ability of breast cancer cells to regenerate, suggesting that it may be used as a tool to eradicate drug-resistant breast cancer cells. According to some researchers, lemongrass extract may even be the most effective non-toxic substitute for typical harmful cancer treatments. Chemotherapy treatments for metastatic colon cancer, for instance, can be quite toxic and have demonstrated little success. Natural remedies, such as extract from lemongrass, offer some promise nevertheless. According to one study, it killed colon cancer cells without endangering healthy cells. Additionally, it inhibited the weight loss caused by Folfox and increased its anti-cancer benefits, boosting red blood cell levels. According to the findings of a 2015 study, consuming infusions of lemongrass tea every day for 30 days may raise the body's red blood cell count, packed cell volume, and hemoglobin concentration. 105 human individuals had blood tests taken at the beginning of the trial, as well as after 10 and 30 days. They came to the conclusion that consuming lemongrass tea promotes red blood cell production. They did not pinpoint the exact mechanism by which lemongrass accomplishes this, although they did speculate that the tea's antioxidant qualities might be involved. Preventing infection. According to the research findings, lemongrass may be able to prevent infections in some situations. For instance, the herb appears to lower the frequency of thrush, a fungal illness that typically affects those with compromised immune systems, including those living with HIV. Relieving pain. One study suggests that lemongrass may have pain-blocking properties. This suggests that consuming tea made from lemongrass may help someone avoid feeling pain. What are the side effects of lemongrass tea? Lung issues. After inhaling lemongrass, some people have complained of lung issues. Even though this is limited to inhaling lemongrass essential oil, we nevertheless advise seeing your physician prior to consuming the tea. Issues during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Lemongrass has the potential to induce miscarriage and may increase menstrual flow. Steer clear of lemongrass tea when expecting. Additionally, there isn't enough evidence available on the safety of consuming lemongrass tea while nursing, so refrain from using it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.